good YouTube? What's up? What's up? What's up? Your boy's here, dude. The most free to play you'll ever see in your life. Free to play, bro. Free to play. Yeah, so this channel is all about me just posting, having fun, bro. I like to think of myself as the youngest full-time Rise of Kingdoms player. I'm 15 from South Africa. So yeah, dude, I'm gonna be out of KVK tomorrow. So I don't know, just post Olympia and stuff. So just to keep you guys entertained, you know? So wait, before we get anywhere, look at this forge horn, bro. The forging of this horn. Just look at this. Look at this. Please, please. No. Dang, bro, all those materials just gone. But at least I got this beauty yesterday. Like, oh yeah, baby, huh? I mean, it still doesn't change the fact that my Saladin is 5'2". 2. Just 2. Honestly, the most depressing thing. 2, bro. 2. I don't actually play on BlueStacks or something. I don't got BlueStacks. I don't have an iPad, bro. I do have a crack P30, bro. New to the market, bro. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. But this side ain't crack, bro. Just the science, bro. The science. I'll be posting as much as I can. Hope I can make a lovely community with you guys, and please subscribe and like the video if you did enjoy it and you would love to see more content from me. And till next time, peace out, guys.